Model, 2020 Mercedes-Benz Vito 110 Pure CDI Rolling Shell YE20FZD Logbook Spares Repair. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 158421. Engine, 1749 CCOM 622 DE17LA100 HP. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, none runner. The engine is missing and so are loads of parts. This is a rolling shell ideal donor or do what you want with it. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is indecent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is indecent, average condition, genuine honest work van.